Review my slime book. I already opened, so I'm gonna let you see the footage. At least I didn't read. So it says free stickers inside to personalize your cover. So I got this from our book fair in school. And I put my picture and some stickers. It's not from this book. It's from my princess activities. I put this belongs to Maximila and Citrusma, and that's okay. This one you cannot see. This one is from that book. I don't know why. So look at that pretty one. You want to glue it to do your picture, or if you want it. So this one says Barbie is my favorite doll, and it's Barbie. Oops. And it says this is me. I put my picture and all the things that I wrote, but I'm not going to finish. So yeah. Complete this for you. So let's down, stem down. I don't know what does that mean. This isn't your ordinary to-do list. Get to know yourself better by jotting now jotting this down lists that are all about you. It's going to be so much fun. So yeah. Like that, the other page. So I'm waiting the wind to blow it up. Ooh. So there's a friends files and besties singing in. So there's many friends files. They're like tons. They're just wasting. They don't know how many friends you have. So wait and rock it out. So wait. If you and your besties were to form a rock band, what roles would each one of you play? Draw your clothes and accessories, write the name of your band on the drum, and maybe even describe song lyrics in air. So I want to be this one or this one, or I don't know. So I want to be a fashion designer. So this is so good. Next is this is the most likely to have a cartoon character in, and the winner is like that. You will vote in this space. So many things in this book. So get to it. There's many. And next is Friends for Forever. And there's like these little kind of notes. And Guess Who's Secret. So that would be fun. Do you have a quirky secret that no one knows about? Write it down here and try to discuss your handwriting so your best friend can't tell that you wrote it. Then have your BFFs write down their fun secrets too. Next step, guess whose secrets is whose. Keep it fun and light, and everyone will be lolling about at the end. So that's cool. And next is Super Friends. If your barkada were a team of superheroes, what role would you play? Fill this up together and have a blast. So that's it. And wordplay. So wait. You know those songs lyrics you love or that quote you can't get out of your head? Do you think you could dedicate those words to one of your BFFs? Write them down here and write her name next to them. Then pass the songbook along and have your friends to do the same of their besties. So that's super cool. And it says subscribe now. It's more fun to be a girl with TG. Rates 1 year. Only 1,020 or for Metro Manila and 1,560 for provincial. Save as much as 180 when you buy all these issues. 2 years, 1,920 for Metro Manila and 3,000 for provincial. Save as much as 480 when you buy all 24 issues. So these, and next we have stickers. Yay! So many stickers. Let's run it down. That's the end of the page. So we have chapstick. So clearly mine. So I won't forget this one. So please like, subscribe, comment down below if you want to have another cool review. So bye.